A new warning is being issued about AI imposters.
Have you ever wondered if your coworker is a bot?
Phone scams are nothing new, but thanks to artificial intelligence, they are getting more sophisticated and more believable.
Let's just get this out of the way. Artificial intelligence is the rock star of our era. It's got the swagger, the brains, the hype, and the billion-dollar fan base. AI can paint like Picasso, talk like your therapist, write poetry like a tortured soul in a cafe, and somehow still find time to beat you at chess, design your website, and steal your job, all before lunch.
Well, we've been warning you that scammers can use artificial intelligence to create fake videos.
Artificial intelligence voice scams are spreading across the country and right here in North Alabama.
$25,000 is now out of my wife and my retirement savings. Gone.
The world needs AI, but there's a problem. We need AI, desperately. It's the only intern that doesn't complain, doesn't sleep, and won't mysteriously call in sick the Monday after a long weekend. It's the future, the savior of productivity, the destroyer of inefficiency. It's the ultimate upgrade in a world that still hasn't figured out how to make printer ink affordable. But there's a problem, a big one, and it's got less to do with what AI can do and more with what we're doing with it. The hype is loud, but the vision, blurry. Let's start with the elephant in the server room. Nobody actually knows what they want from AI. Not really. Sure, companies are racing to build the next big thing, but half the time that thing ends up being a glorified chatbot that tells you the weather in a British accent. Cute? Yes. Useful? Meh. We say we want AI to help humanity, to cure diseases, solve climate change, end hunger. But what do we actually use it for? Generating anime selfies, making pizza in the style of Van Gogh, writing emails we won't even read. AI can be revolutionary, but we're stuck in a loop of cool demos and tech for clicks. It's like giving a lightsaber to a toddler. Yes, the potential is there, but so is the property damage. Automation Nation, the job apocalypse is coming. Let's talk about jobs. Not your job yet, but someone's. AI is already replacing people. That's not a sci-fi threat anymore. It's just Tuesday. From customer service reps to copywriters to junior developers, AI is sliding into DMs in departments like, "Hey, mind if I take over your entire role real quick?" And we're not ready. We keep saying, A won't replace you. A person using A will. Cool. But what if the person using A is also using it to replace you? That's not innovation. That's a polite eviction notice. We're heading into a reality where millions could be left behind while a few people build digital empires off the backs of algorithms. The productivity goes up, the profits go up, but for many, the paycheck doesn't. Ethics? Never heard of her. Then there's the whole ethics thing, or the complete lack thereof. AI doesn't have morals. It doesn't care about fairness, justice, or the fact that your deepfake clone just scammed someone in Australia. It does what it's told. And guess what? Sometimes it's told to be racist, or biased, or creepy, and it excels at all three. Facial recognition AI that can't tell two people of color apart? Check. Recruitment tools that favor men? Been there. Deepfakes that blur the line between real and fake until truth is just a suggestion? Oh, we're already there. But don't worry, the tech bros promise they're working on alignment. That's basically the AI version of we'll fix it in post. Data is the new oil, and you're the oil spilly. AI needs data, mountains of it. And guess where it's getting that data from? Yep, you, me, your grandma's Facebook posts. That one weird tweet you regret. Your voice memos, everything. We didn't give permission. Not really. We just clicked accept all on a cookie banner and moved on. Now we're training the machines that might one day outsmart us. Using our own memories, tastes, and location history. It's like building a robot with your fingerprints, then acting shocked when it knows your Netflix password and your biggest insecurities. Let's not forget who's building this AI dream. The world's richest men, who ironically seem to have the least chill. They say AI is dangerous, existential threat even, like Skynet level threat. But instead of slowing down, they're building it faster. Imagine yelling, "The brakes don't work," and then flooring the gas. That's what we're doing with AI right now. A beautiful, chaotic race to the finish line where nobody agrees what the prize is, or if crossing it turns us into digital soup. So, what do we do? Look, I'm not anti-AI. I'm pro-smart AI, responsible AI. AI that helps the many, not just the few. The world absolutely needs AI. The climate crisis won't solve itself. Neither will global inequality or healthcare shortages or education gaps. But the way we're going, it's less Iron Man suit and more monkey with a machine gun. We need guardrails. We need regulation. We need to actually think before we deploy code that can impersonate your mom and apply for a loan in her name. And most of all, we need to ask, just because we can build it, should we? AI isn't just a tool, it's a mirror. It reflects back the intentions of the people building it. And right now, that mirror's looking a little cracked. So yeah, the world needs AI, but it needs humans who know what the hell they're doing even more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.